What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So markets are down right now, so I wanted to find the opportunity to look at some BSCGEMS that are, at a discount right now. So y'all know I don't just check out every single project, but this one came across my desk. They've been asking me for a while to check it out, so we decided to finally get to this one and see. Right now, this project has 12,000 followers on Twitter, so I want to show y'all, my process of walking through, a project like this, and by the end of this video, you'll know if this is a project that I'm bullish on or not. So this project is Aeterna. It is Aeterna. So you can find them on Twitter at project_Aeterna. So check out the Discord community. They got the Discord link right here. First off, I noticed the community size. That's a good indication right there. I see their last tweet was accumulators on Aeterna here are gonna make it. Just standing at previous support. Bullish channel in the making. Small market cap with unlimited potential alongside top shelf marketing. DeFi, crypto, by the dip. So let's check this website out real quick before we come back and take a look through the Twitter page. Now, first thing I noticed, the website is clean, looks simple. I like that they have the social media links above the top fold of the page, so we can come right away and get a size of the, idea of the size of the community. Let's open up that Telegram link. I'll put the links to this project in the description section if y'all want to check it out. So introduction, Aeterna is a unique DeFi ecosystem that offers a variety of ways to generate wealth and navigate your way through a confusing decentralized world. What follows is a brief overview of the fundamentals around the project and a look at the advancements that we look to build out as our ecosystems develop, okay? Our vision, having seen what life was like before technology was as all pervasive as it is now, we know how different times have become. Every day new systems are being birthed, like the decentralized finance system that emerged right before our eyes. Now, as more and more people adopt cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology builds up its infrastructure to support the demand and drive for data, we see a new future on the horizon. A future where passive income generation, open markets, and safe and fruitful investments are available and easily accessible to everyone. A future free of stress and worry when it comes to crypto trading. A safe space to buy, hold, and earn, then watch your investments grow. We see a developed ecosystem as our own and one that is a beacon to others to show how technology can be used to provide a better future for all. This is our vision, and that will be our story. Okay, so I like, the overall read into the project right there. Now let's get more into the meat and potatoes and see what's actually going on. So about our approach, the need to incentivize our holders is one of our top priorities. I like that, they want to put as a top priority incentivizing the holders, because without the community, without the holders, feeling value, the project can be nothing. So this is why we built out our native token to incorporate the revolutionary positive compounding model. This model instantly calculates and immediately adds the compounded interest to your wallet's balance every 15 minutes, up to 3 times an hour, 90 times a day, all on automatic. That sounds interesting. This model instantly calculates and immediately adds the compounded interest to your wallet's balance every 15 minutes, up to 3 times an hour, 90 times a day, all on automatic. This translates to one of the industry's highest APYs at over 200,000%. What's a better reason to hold than that? So earnings are calculated in a scenario where the AESF sustains the rebase rewards for 365 days. Aeterna Flexible APY, a contract feature making our APY rewards adjustable with the ability to move the percentage rate down or potentially up if there's room to deliver this for holders. Okay, let's read that again. Aeterna Flexible APY, a contract feature making our APY rewards adjustable with the ability to move the percentage rate down or potentially up if there's room to deliver this for our holders. 200,000% will be the starting APY provided as per the contract. However, in order for Aeterna to remain a breadwinner over the long term, we may adjust this value to ensure the business is sustainable month to month. We will analyze as required to look at what is best for the future of Aeterna. So here's some of the official partners right here. Coming soon, Assertic Audit. I like to see that. Also, CoinGecko listing coming soon. CoinMarketCap, Solid Proof is a partner. Obsidian as well. So ecosystem roadmap. This is my favorite part now, to be able to understand where the project's direction is, you know, some of the goals that they plan on accomplishing. And if I think these goals are either disruptive or something that I think will harness a lot of attention and you know, basically make a lot of investors want to join the project. So let's see right here. So ecosystem roadmap. Our ecosystem rollout plan is very simple and straightforward. So far I do like that rewarding system every 15 minutes, 90 times per day. That does sound interesting, but definitely want to look a little further into this. So remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I'm introducing this project so y'all can come check it out and see if y'all like the project yourselves. So ecosystem roadmap. Our ecosystem rollout plan is very simple and straightforward, easily scalable, and built for explosive growth with each succeeding development addition. So DApp, the decentralized app, will be a gateway to all features. Community-focused initiatives like lotteries, merchandise, and safe exchange platforms build trust and nurtures growth. Launchpad. Launchpad projects will create safe trading opportunities and potentially great long-term investments. DeFi tools make trading easier and more user-friendly. Features that can buy, sell, and trade automatically with added ATH alerts. So here's a video from a YouTuber. That's a good sign to see others YouTubers talking about it. Let's take a peek at this channel real quick.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about Aeterna, the automated.
Okay, so this is Glorious at 68.6K subscribers, so just about 70,000 subscribers. That's good to see. We got a YouTuber, you know, of this size, you know, talking about this project and bullish on it. So our team, this is one thing I like to see, a team behind it. But one thing here is, so far, let's continue before I get this. So Mr. Infinity, sales, marketing, and business development expert with over 15 years of experience as a vice president in a blue chip energy company. Asir, board member in 2 companies with over 10 years of experience in content production, business strategy and development, marketing, and business consulting. John, an expert in both retail and branding with over 10 years experience. John is also a marketing expert and has extensive connections in the DeFi space. So I like that this team is marketing centric. You know, they have people who understand how important marketing is. But one thing I do not like is that they're not clickable links to anywhere. You know, it's not an actual person that we can, you know, reach out to and hold accountable. You know, I like to see real human beings, docs projects that we can, you know, even though just because a person is docs doesn't make it any safer, they could still rug pull. They could still, you know, do all the negative, you know, things that you see with projects, honeypots, or just walk away from the projects. But at least you can know who that person is and their name is on the line, and you can make the decision in the future to not, you know, link up with any projects if they are docs and you see them fumble a project, you know, intentionally. So would have been better to be able to see that, at least to be able to have some type of links to a LinkedIn, a Twitter accounts, at least something. So I would like to see that updated. I would like to be able to see these people create social media accounts so that way the community can directly, you know, follow these individuals and, you know, be able to reach out to them if need be and hold them accountable also. So about the ecosystem, Eternity Utility Hub, dashboard and dApp for easy navigation, safe coin aggregator, safe dev repository, Eternative creation hub, frequent scheduled lottery, store and merchandising, safe commerce and payment gateway, EternaPad platform, IDO launchpad to develop real use case projects, meme launchpad for safe gambles that caters to low market cap investors, Eternal DeFi tools, comprehensive trading tools and bots, real-time charts, decentralized exchange and investor network, Enriching lives is our mission. Creating passive income. We create models that help you earn while you sleep. Revenue generating projects. Our revenue generation model is one of the most important parts of maintaining our ecosystem. So here's the tokenomics, a very important part to understand, how everything works. So initial supply, 444 tokens. Max supply, so that's a little weird. So this says max supply. The max supply is higher than the initial supply. So it might be one of those tokens where they can create more of them. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that, but that's not clear right here. So it would be better to get this cleared up. So token decimals 5, buy fee 14%, liquidity fee 4, treasury fee 5, so that totals 9, insurance fund 5, so that adds up to a 14% buy fee. Sell fee 16%, liquidity fee 4%, treasury fee 6, insurance fund 6%. So that equals up to that 16% there. So we seen the treasury fee just get a little higher in this instant, and the insurance fund. So transfer fee, same as buy at the beginning, later will be changed to 0. So rebase period, 15 minutes, rebase rate for every 15 minutes. First year, so 200,000%, 0.02170%. Max sale will be in tokens, 24 hours, 15 BNB worth, 48 hours, additional 10 BNB worth, total 25, 72 hours, additional 10 BNB worth, total 35. Max buy, no limit after initial anti-bot and snipe launch. So let's read this again. Max sale will be in tokens. So 24 hours. So it looks like the max sale within 24 hours might be 15 BNB worth. I haven't seen anybody do anything like that where they put a limit on how much you could sell in a 24-hour period. That's interesting. 48 hours, additional 10 BNB to total 25 BNB within a 48-hour period. 72 hours, an additional 10 BNB totaling 35 BNB. Max buy, no limit after initial anti-bot and snipe at launch. Okay, so this might only affect at launch, because I did take a look at the chart and I seen some BNB buys a lot bigger than this. So we'll get into that in 1 second. But I like that the team has a contact form here so people can reach out to them. But I would love to see this team section updated, because who do we hold accountable if anything happens with the project? So also I would like to see in the roadmap section more of a few goals that the project might have, and also because I look for 3 things in the roadmap: specific, measurable, and realistic goals. So goals that we can say these are specific plans to have accomplished by this time. This is measurable because it'll be done by this time, and something that is also realistic. So it looks like that's the full website. So let's take a look through the Twitter page and see what all they have going on right now. So Aeterna automated DeFi ecosystem burned 38,000 worth of supply to date. Okay, interesting. KYC and audit with solid proof. Okay. CoinMarketCap listed. Utility starts to drop next week. So let's check this out. Cross-chain bridge. So as you probably know, cross-chain bridges tend to be vulnerable to hacking attempts, putting your funds at risk. To combat this, we will be building the Aeterna cross-chain bridge, allowing for seamless, fast, and safe bridging of funds between 6 of the most commonly used chains. Unlike traditional bridges, Aeterna cross-chain bridge can be used totally anonymously and has no wallet connection is required. There is no risk of malicious attack to your other holdings. Combine this with our fiat on-ramp and you'll experience the easiest and safest form of crypto trading available to date. So I do like this right here. This is something that I genuinely like to see. Things like this, something that is kind of disruptive. A cross chain that has the 6 top. We can see BNB, Polygon in there, Avalanche, ETH, Crow, and I'm not sure which one that one is. but we could see these most popular chains being able to interact with each other, which is very important. So that's a good thing to see. Let's take a look also. So they changed the buy tax for 1 hour to 1% for, or excuse me, the buy tax is 1% for 3 hours and sell tax remains the same. We have very big marketing push coming tomorrow. Let's go. Grab your bag. So LFG. Okay, so that was on May 8th. So that's definitely interesting. Definitely want to take a look at that. Let's see. Crypto news. They got a retweet from there. That's another Twitter user, so more community members talking about them. Let's take a look at some of the comments and see what people are saying. Aeterna keep mooning, 100 million market cap project. So we see the community members are bullish on it. So, you know, we're trying to get a well-rounded understanding of the project. You know, look at how did the team present the project? How does the community engage and feel about the project? You know, and also taking into account overall market conditions as well is important. So let's check out. We got a tweet from Juan with 165,000 followers saying, got my eyes on Project Aeterna. Huge congratulations on a great start. Dual KYC and audited with solid proof. Trending on Dex Tools app since launch. Okay, that's interesting. So that means people are talking about it. Coming soon, Aeterna link multi-chain bridge. Also, we have just burned 2,700 Aeterna tokens worth 25,000 BUSD. So that was just 2 days ago, y'all. Here's the transaction hash. 38,000 BUSD worth of supply has been burned this week. So that's something major. Now they're starting to really pique my interest now, because when we see projects doing burns like this, that is strictly for the community. That's a way the project can give back to holders by decreasing the supply, which will in turn, once demand increases, increase the value of the remaining tokens. So I like when projects do this. It's something similar we see vechain doing, but you know, at a bigger scale. But this project is newer, so you know, it could potentially pick it up. So let's see, we are running a giveaway. How to participate: post something bullish about Aeterna, use Aeterna chart, logo, memes, anything you want. Tag big promoters in your tweets, use hashtag Aeterna in the tweet, and 6 winners will be selected in the next 24 hours, $120 to each winner. So, you know, running community contests, you know, to get people hyped up and engaged, and also giving back to their community members. That's a good sign. We got a tweet from Jerka Safu. Are you up or whoa on Aeterna pre-sale team here making moves to the moon? Not financial advice. Do your own research. Remember, guys, always do your own research. None of this is financial advice. You know, he retweeted him, so that's a good sign right there that people with large followings are talking about this project. So the team is making some moves. So let's see here. We see a screenshot when the price was around $12 per token. So we'll take a look at the chart in a second to, you know, see how it's doing. So also, I'll drop the website link in the description, also the Discord as well. Let's see if we got that Telegram. Okay, we can't go there. So from Pink Sale, they did a huge congratulations on a great launch and first few days of live trading. Shouting out the Aeterna team. Okay, so Project Aeterna top 5 on CoinMarketCap. Looks like top gainers. So Aeterna was in that top gainer, up 144% one of those days. So this is definitely something we're definitely gonna want to keep an eye on at the very least, and you know follow it and see how it does over the next few days or so. Or y'all free to do whatever y'all want to do. But now let's take a look at the chart. We can see that there's about 400,000 in locked liquidity. It's at 399,912. So $399,912 in locked liquidity. Well, not sure if that's actually locked, but in liquidity right now. But taking a look at the chart, Now, the price is down to the previous resistance level, so this is a chance for anybody watching right now to get in at an extreme discount. You basically get a, and this is just a rough estimate, you're basically getting a 239% discount from all-time highs, y'all. So this is if you want to check this project out. You know, you don't want to buy a project when it's up here, because if you buy it when it's up here, then the price can likely drop on you. But when you buy it when it's down here, the price can likely go up. So that's something you want to keep in mind. This project also is only about 6 days old, so not even a week yet, but you get the opportunity to get back in at, you know, day 3 prices. So this is a chance to get in at day 3 prices right now, resetting the clock back to day 3. So, you know, I'm just trying to let y'all know about it. It's not financial advice, but the price is at $4.63. So this project so far does seem interesting to me. I may grab a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on this project. I'm not gonna risk more than I'm willing to lose, but I'm definitely thinking about grabbing a little bit of this project. Now I want to look at the white paper as well. Okay, so Aeterna official white paper, April 28th, 2022. Table of contents, legalities, intro, meet the Aeternauts, transparency and security, vision and expansion, the tokenomics, long-term sustainability, our roadmap, global marketing, creation and utility hubs, the launch pad, automated DeFi tools, escrow services, cross-chain bridges, the lottery, contact and socials, project overview. So we'll go through the white paper. We're not gonna double go over anything that we went over on the website, just anything that we didn't get some extra information. So legalities. We at Aeterna wish to inform our readers that nothing in this white paper is to be taken as an attempt to influence any of its readers to invest in any cryptocurrencies, including Aeterna itself. The white paper has been written in order to provide you with an information about the project only. Please understand that any possible investment in cryptocurrency should be considered risky due to the immense volatility trading traditionally seen in most cryptocurrencies. Should you choose to invest in Aeterna, you agree to accept full responsibility for your own investment, acknowledging that crypto is highly volatile and that the price action cannot be determined by the team. You also agree that the team is not in any way responsible for your own investment. By continuing to pursue with this white paper, you acknowledge and accept all the above. So I like that they got that disclaimer out the way and they're being upfront, letting everybody know, like, you know, you cannot just expect to, you know, get rich overnight. You know, you cannot just expect this to, you know, be a project that takes off. You have to do your own research. That's why I say never risk more than you're willing to lose. I don't want to hear anybody come crying to me saying, I jumped in that project. I'm going to ask you, did you risk anything more than you're willing to lose? If you tell me you did, you know, I'm in the conversation, you know, because that's how you do investing the wrong way, by constantly, you know, risking more money than you can, or trying to over leverage yourself, because then you put yourself in tight situations. So just keep that in mind, you know, and the team is letting you know that. And I think by them being transparent and saying that, that is a good sign. Now, introduction. Aeterna is a unique DeFi ecosystem that offers a variety of ways to generate wealth and navigate you through the confusing decentralized world. So we firmly believe in having not only one or even two utilities, but in having a strong multi-purpose ecosystem designed with sustainability in mind. We acknowledge that building a vast and ever-expanding ecosystem requires dedicated experts and a large support staff. To this end, we will be looking to hire more experts in all fields of expertise whenever it is deemed necessary. For example, we will be onboarding expert marketing agencies, graphic designers, web designers, dApp integration experts, and others who are highly experienced in their specific areas to ensure maximal growth. So I like how they're talking right now, y'all, to be honest. So we will also put heavy emphasis on sustainability, transparency, safety, and ease of use in everything we do, as we feel that in its current state, the DeFi world is solely lacking in all the above. Now, they're talking good right now. Can we hold them to this? Can we, you know, really expect these developments to come about? You know, that's what we have to, you know, really do our research and try to figure out. Now, meet the Aeterna. So we went through the team already. It doesn't have the links. I told y'all what I thought about that. I prefer docs teams where we can actually reach out and hold the members accountable. Transparency and security. To truly achieve exponential growth and long-term stability, Aeterna will not only need a capable, ever-expanding team of experts and assistants, but also something far more important, a community that trusts the project and supports its goals and aims. That is very important right there. So they're, it seems like they know what's important, and that's a good thing. Normally you see in some of these white papers, they just say the things you expect to hear, and they're not really talking, this, in depth about, caring about the community. So, they get a couple of points for that, but also they lose a couple of points for not having a docs team. That's something I want to see. So vision and expansion. So we covered that. We covered all that part. More of the tokenomics here. We covered that already. So token allocation. Let's take a look at that. So pre-sale, 52.8%. Liquidity, 24.79%. Private sale, 9.37%. Partnerships, 5%. Reserve for the burn, 3%. Team, 3%. Bounty, 2%. Okay, so that's the breakdown of the tokens right there. Long-term sustainability. As we stated before, sustainability is at the forefront of the project. How then, you may ask, can we provide investors with a 200,000% rebasing API? This is where both our DAPY protocol, dynamic APY, and our innovative utilities come into play. So let's check this out. The dynamic APY protocol. When Aeterna is experiencing increasing buying pressure, the DAPY may be manually adjusted to increase the rebase APY percentage. However, in times of increased selling pressure, the DAPY may be adjusted to decrease the rebase percentage, allowing for increased stability of the price. In short, the DAPY allows for increased rewards during bullish trends and consolidation during sell-offs. So sustainability through utility. Most cryptocurrencies fail due to a lack of revenue generation and an overt reliance on trading volume. To create true sustainability, Aeterna will be releasing a series of meaningful utilities such as the Utility Hub, the Creation Hub, the Aeterna Pad platform, comprehensive trading tools, the Aeterna Investor Network, escrow services, a cross-chain bridge, a lottery system, the Aeterna DEX. So these are some, some utilities that I definitely would like to see. That cross-chain bridge, escrow services, and investor network. Those are all, good things to have. But I wish they would have put a date on these things so we can say, when we expect to see these things happen. So we do got, okay, so hold on 1 second. We got our roadmap here. So now one thing that they did do a little bit better, it says phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. I like to see that, but there's still no exact date. So let's check this out. Establishing a strong community on all social platforms. Light paper completion, Twitter launch, private sale launch, deploy smart contract, ads on CN token, 4chan, Coin Sniper, and Watcher Guru, AMAs for both community and private whale groups, public launch on pancakeswap, lottery system live, and this is so that first section was phase 1. Also, let me finish the rest of phase 1. Sweep widget live, pre-sale marketing, bounty program, KYC with House of Obsidian and Solid Proof, audit with Solid Proof, white paper live, dashboard live, pre-sale live. So I would have liked to see this information on the actual website, and also I see they have some of these things complete already. So if they would have checked this off, that would have been a good sign as well. So that way we as investors can come and see already how far they are through their goals, how aggressively they're attacking their goals, and that would determine, how bullish we can be on the project as well. But I like that though. So I like that they have some of these things that we see on the roadmap already completed. But to check them off would be nicer. Or are they not sure if they're checked off. No, they're not checked off. So phase 2, public launch on pancakeswap, lottery system live, meme contest, AMAs in big groups, trust wallet logo, minor decentralized exchanges, and centralized exchange listings, articles on Yahoo Finance, BSC News, and Bloomberg, partnerships in YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, launching sneak peek, yield farming live, trending on DEX tools, BSC Scan, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Avadex, applications, Certex Audit, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko, add-ons, PooCoin, DEX tools, BSC Scan, Balked Finance, Facebook, and Snapchat, marketing and esports events, celebrity shoutouts, website version 2 launch, white paper version 2 launch, in-depth info. So global marketing initiative. As per our goal of sustainable expansion, the Aeterna team will conduct extensive and heavy digital marketing, particularly on the platforms where engagement with our content is highest, which could include emerging regions and potentially untapped markets. Naturally, we will also be targeting well-known crypto marketing platforms as stated in our roadmaps. This multifaceted approach of marketing will allow us to expand beyond that of the average cryptocurrencies, bringing our utilities and the potential for lucrative investments to a larger, ever-expanding audience. The Creation and Utility Hub. The Aeterna Creation and Utility Hub, ACUH, is the ecosystem's community-focused vessel. Through this hub, we will offer different facilities that will support learning and guidance to our investors, new and old alike. Below are just some of our hub's utilities. So here's the utilities. Fiat payment. Forget using exchanges requiring 20 steps to buy your crypto. Instead, just purchase with fiat. The store. Our store will feature merchandise and digital metaverse goods buyable with crypto or fiat. The safeswap. In our easy-to-use exchange, you'll be able to trade projects that are vetted and handpicked by Aeterna. The lottery. The hubs will also act as a place of entertainment with 3 different types of lotteries. The DeFi tools. DeFi tools are a collection of easy-to-use tools designed to make trading easier and more lucrative. Immense giveaways. Our giveaways will include, but won't be limited to, gaming consoles, VR hardware, crypto tech, and more. Escrow services. As safety is of utmost importance to us, we will also be providing escrow services to contractors and contractees alike. I think that'll be very big. The launch pad. Trade with no fear of rugs or honeypots, for our launch pad will feature only KYC'd and audited projects. So the Aeterna Launchpad, in accordance with our goals and aims of expansion and sustainability, we will create our own launchpad, Aeterna Pad or APP, with 2 separate categories, one for meme tokens and one for true use case projects. In addition, our launchpad will feature only projects that are fully audited in KYC and will have several inbuilt utilities and features which we feel is in accordance with our core values of safety and trustworthiness. So launchpad features: double launchpad, ideal launchpad for use case projects, meme launchpad for low market cap. Each project will be KYC'd and audited by the team, pre-launch, contract scanner, ape scale, safe dev repository, token generator, contract locker, liquidity locker, built-in ecosystem marketing for launching projects, the SDR or safe dev repository. The SDR is our own catalog of safe and verified developers, providing information and in-depth data on current and previous projects launched by the developers. This helps projects leaders choose safe developers and work as a great way of showcasing your project's safety. As an added bonus, the SDR allows us to provide work opportunities and increases safety in the DeFi space for everyone. So automated tools. Having provided a safe landscape for investors, it's only natural to provide the tools to help them best navigate this new space. We wish to provide our users with streamlined trading and a user-friendly experience so you can spend more time doing what you love and less time staring at your phone. When designing these tools, we decided to focus on convenience, ease of use, accessibility, and user-friendliness, which we believe to be the key components in every successful and well-designed product. So here's a look at that. Alerts and notifications, including all-time high alert, one-click functionality for ease of use, automatic one-stop loss, 2 percentage selling, 3 dip buying. I like that. Different nodes to chain for faster buying, MC-based percentage selling, contract checker, and real-time contract updates. I like that this is really thought out. I would really hope, though, that they develop these developments and actually bring them out. So I would like to start to see some of these actually roll out to become even more bullish on this project. But if they were doing every single thing that they said and it actually happens, this would definitely be a project that I would be, bullish on. So safety through escrow services. Every single one of us knows how important security and trustworthiness are. particularly in the DeFi world. Sadly, we also know how difficult it is to find trustworthy people within the crypto space. That is where the Aeterna Escrow services comes into play. The AES is for both the contractor and contractee, a service that gives a form of security rarely seen in DeFi, benefiting all parties involved. So 3 easy steps. Step 1, the contractor and contractee create a binding contract using our digital handshake services. Step 2, the contractee deposits the payable funds to the Aeterna Escrow smart contract, and the contractor gives the digital goods or services to the contractee. If the goods or services given were of good quality, the contractor receives the funds owed to him minus a 5% fee. If not, the contractee receives 99% of his funds back. So that's the percentages that each side would have to pay. That would make money for the project. So I think that was a good development right there. Cross-chain bridge, we went over that. The Aeterna Lottery. The Aeterna Lottery consists of 3 different types of lotteries: the Aeterna Native Token Lottery, the BNB Lottery, and the NFT Lottery, coming later. Naturally, each lottery is designed to reward the winner handsomely. So, Aeterna Native Lottery. The Aeterna Lottery is a unique lottery in that it doesn't cost anything to play it, though you will forfeit your rebase rewards. Tokens stay in your wallet. The more you deposit, the higher your chances of winning. Rebase rewards go to communal prize pool. Winner gets the full communal rebase pool for herself. Withdrawal of principal during the first 24 hours has a 10% tax. Withdrawal tax reduced by 1% daily until a 0% on day 11. That's very interesting. I like that. Aeterna BNB Lottery. The BNB Lottery is a ticket-based lottery where the participant buys a ticket for the raffle and the winner gets the jackpot. 1 ticket minimum, no maximum buy. Ticket price, 1 USD for Aeterna holders, 2 USD for non-holders. Fund distribution. Winner gets a large portion of the total pool. The rest is used to support the Aeterna ecosystem. So here's the contacts and socials. For us, transparency and human connection are both extremely important, which is why we strive to answer all of your questions as fast and efficiently as possible. If you have any questions at all, we urge you to contact us via our socials or our website. So here's all that information: the website, the Twitter, the Discord, and the Telegram. So if you have any questions, reach out to the team. I highly encourage you, before investing into this project, to go check out the Telegram, check out the Discord, engage with the community, ask the team some questions, and then after doing some due diligence on your own, then check out the project and potentially think about investing in it. Now, looking at the chart, it is, very low, but I like to look at the trading volume. And one thing that I've seen is actually, it's not on the chart right now, but there were a lot of large buys for, 24,000. Then immediately after a sale, a sale right after that. I'm not sure if that was a part of the contract or a burn going on or something, but there was a lot of those. I seen one for 28,000, then immediately after a sale for 28,000 or 29,000, another buy for 30,000, then another sale for 30,000, kind of going back and forth with that. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So I would like to ask the team something about that, before actually investing in the project. So I may be reaching out to them to try to get some clarity on that. I encourage y'all to, whatever questions y'all have about this project, to check it out. But if you look at the buy orders right now, a lot of buys are coming in right now for some decent amounts: 500, 300, 1,000, 900, 800, 50, 120, 150, 4,000, 500, 500, 450, 292, 154. So people are buying this project right now, $1,000. But I still want some more information. We just got a sale right here for 5,000. Still 399 in liquidity. But I think right now, if you are interested in getting in this project, right now would possibly be a good time because of what the chart shows us. Let's even pull out some let's pull out our Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, RSI. Let's use some of our indicators. So the project is still very new, but right now we can see the project is sitting at 40 on the RSI chart. So almost at that oversold point. We can see the lower Bollinger Band is at $3.43. So that could potentially be the low. It could potentially bounce all the way down to that level, but we got a bullish candle forming right here a green candle forming right here, right off of this small hammer candle at the bottom of a doge or at the bottom of a downtrend, which could signify that a reversal is likely to happen. But you got to take a look at the overall market. All these other coins are going to follow BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, because that's what, blockchains they're built on. So it could find support here and start to slowly move its way back up, which why I feel it would be a good time to buy. Or you can wait just a little bit longer. It could potentially pull back slightly, a little more, and then possibly try to snipe into this one. But this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. I just wanted to show y'all this project. Hopefully y'all found some value in it. That's all we got. And appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.